Kung ako'y mayor, pinakitaan ako ng evidence ng PDEA.
Okay. Mga kababayan, i-debunk natin ito. Sinasabi niya nung siya ay mayor, pinakitaan siya ng PIDEA, ng list. Diba? Tuloy natin bago natin debunk.
Doon sa listahan, nandoon yung pangalan mo.
Tuwa pa yung mga tao nung pagkasabi niya nandun yung pangalan mo. Eto ngayon, i-debunk natin ang gunggong. Mga kababayan, mga kagaw, halina't tignan at pakinggan po natin ang sinabi ng PCO na kung saan idininay nila at ng PIDEA ang listahan na sinasabi ni Digong nyo. Teka lang po ano ko lang to. Ayan. Alright, so ito po, sabi ng PCO or the Presidential Communication Office, sabi po nila, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency is vehemently denied that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is in which watch list for persons linked to illegal drugs use, contrary to the accusation of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ito po yung sabi ng PIDEA, mga kababayan. PIDEA President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. was never in our watch list. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PIDEA categorically states that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is not in its watch list, contrary to the statement of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, claiming that when he was the mayor of Davao, he was shown evidence by PIDEA that in the list, the name of the president was there. Sabi ko nga kanina, biro ko, baka hindi kaya si Borgie Manotok yung sinasabi mo dahil may Ferdinand din yun, may Marcos din yun, may Martin din yun sa pangalan. Pero again, hindi totoo, walang katotohanan na ang PIDEA ay may hawak ng narcolist na nandoon ang pangalan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Malinaw po. They denied it. Okay? Former President Duterte was mayor of Davao from 1988 to 1999 and 2001 to 2010. Then 2013 to 2016, PIDEA on the other hand was activated on July 30, 2002. When PIDEA was activated, it established its National Drug Information System or NDIS, which is still in existence today. The NDIS is the intelligence database of all drug personalities, gathering inputs from counterparts in both law enforcement and intelligence agencies pursuant to its mandate under Republic Act 9165 or the Comprehensive Drugs or Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. PIDEA regularly conducts intelligence workshops in collaboration with other law enforcement agencies to update the NDIS. Ito yung kompleto niya, no? The PIDEA also emphasized that President Marcos was never included in its NDIS since the time it was created in 2002 and up to the present, as it emphasized that the chief executive was not also included in the list of drug personalities even during the administration of Duterte. So maliwanag mga kababayan, wala si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa kanilang narco-list. It is worthwhile to note that when the former president took over in 2016, his administration rather came out with a list which was then initially called the narco list, sometimes referred as the Duterte list, and upon continuing validation and revalidation, it became the Interagency Drug Information Database. The name of the President Marcos is also not in the Z list. Kahit nagpalit-palit na sila ng pangalan, mga kababayan, kahit nagpalit-palit na ng administrasyon, the name of our President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. was never in the list. So maliwanag po yan. Hindi naisama sa pangalan kailanman. At bakit kasi mangyayari yon? Isipin mo na lang Duterteng tae. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, napaka BO mo. Bakit ka mo? Isa kang presidente, isa kang dating tawag dito, isa kang abogado at isa kang ay nako. Diyos mio Marimar, hindi ko tuloy pati itong si Sara, 'di ba? Mga abogado 'yan, abogada. Pero mga kababayan, have you ever or have you never even researched how come that this president that you allegedly who used drugs, mga kababayan, ay alam naman natin na siya ay nag-donate ng kanyang kidney sa kanyang ama way back in 1983.